Hey, Miss Bethany here with our News to You article. Today we're talking about a special ship. We're going to read the article and then we'll have a recipe that we can cook up in the kitchen. And then we'll have a couple of jokes and then some discussion questions. Let's get started reading about Special Ship. A special ship will launch on April 19th. This ship will travel across the Atlantic Ocean. The ship will study the Atlantic Ocean. No people will be on the ship. So it's a ship going, but there's no people on it. The ship is named the Mayflower Autonomous Ship, MAS. Autonomous means the MAS controls itself. The MAS is named after a famous ship. The famous ship was named the Mayflower. The Mayflower traveled across the Atlantic Ocean in 1620, about 400 years ago. The MAS will follow the same route as the Mayflower. The MAS will leave Plymouth, England on April 19th. The MAS will go to Plymouth, Massachusetts in the U.S. This route is more than 3,000 miles. The MAS will finish the journey in about 14 days. So they're going 3,000 miles in about 14 days. The MAS is not like most ships. The MAS will use energy from the wind. It will use energy from the sun too. Computers will control the MAS. The computers will help the MAS make decisions. The MAS will collect data about the Atlantic Ocean. The data will be about weather, pollution, and ocean life. The MAS will send the data to scientists. The data will help scientists learn about the Atlantic Ocean. People can follow the journey of the MAS online. People can see the route of the MAS. They can see the speed of the MAS too. People can see the weather on the ocean. They can see the data being collected. So if you have a computer, you can go online, and just like we check the weather every day here, you can check the weather on the ship as it's going through the Atlantic Ocean. See, what's the weather like over there? The Mayflower Autonomous Ship will launch on April 19th. That's pretty soon. No people will be on the MAS. The MAS will collect data about the Atlantic Ocean. People can follow the journey of the MAS. Will you follow the journey? Mayflower Autonomous Ship, MAS. The MAS will travel across the Atlantic Ocean. The MAS looks like a spacecraft. The MAS has solar panels on the top. The solar panels collect energy from the sun. The energy makes the MAS move. Mayflower. The Mayflower traveled across the Atlantic Ocean in 1620. The Mayflower was a big ship made of wood. The Mayflower had big sails. Wind blew into the sails. The wind made the Mayflower move. And that's how the old ship 400 years ago moved, through the wind. Atlantic Ocean. A special ship will travel across the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second biggest ocean on Earth. Many islands are in the Atlantic Ocean. North America and South America are west of the Atlantic Ocean. Europe and Africa are east of the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, that was our story. Now we have a special recipe. If you have the ingredients, you can make this at home. It's called Special Ship Slaw. Okay, let's read the ingredients and then how to make it. I don't have the ingredients here today. I hope you have them and you can try them at home with your mom and your dad. You will need a 12-ounce bag of broccoli slaw, a 15-ounce can of mandarin oranges, drained, half of a cup of poppy seed salad dressing, a large bowl, and a spoon. Okay, this is how you make it. The first thing you do is put broccoli slaw and oranges into the bowl and stir it up. Put salad dressing into the bowl and stir. Refrigerate it for 1 hour. Put it in your refrigerator. Set a timer for 1 hour. And then it's ready to eat, and you can eat it. Okay, we have our jokes. Let's do our first joke is always a knock-knock joke. Let's see what it is. Knock, knock. Who's there? Data. Data who? Good data sail on a ship. Good data sail on a ship. That sounds like day two. Good day to sail on a ship. Good data sail on a ship. It kind of sounds the same as day two. Good day to sail on a ship. Yes, it is a good day to sail on a ship. If we weren't in Montana, there's no ocean beside us here. Okay, the next joke says, I have a joke. Tell me, what snack do fish like? I don't know. What? Potato chips. They like potato chips. That sounds like potato chips, right? Fish like potato chips. That's funny. That's a funny joke. You can tell somebody that one. Potato chips. Okay, it's our game page time. I'm going to read the word, and you tell me if we talked about that in our article today. Okay? And you can look at the picture and see. Journey. Did we talk about journeys? Yes, remember the MAS is taking a special journey through the Atlantic Ocean. Control. Did we talk about control? Yes, there's no people on the ship. Remember, the computers are controlling the ship. Toys. Did we talk about toys? Not this time. Too bad. Data. Did we talk about data? Yes. They are collecting data to send to scientists. Bamboo. We didn't talk about bamboo, not this time. Energy. Did we talk about energy? Yes, we talked about energy. Remember the solar panels on top of the ship are collecting energy from the sun, and that's what's making the ship go forward. Collect. Yes. The computers are collecting data for the scientists. Computer. Yes, we talked about computers because the computers are the ones running the ship through the Atlantic Ocean. Study. Yes, the scientists are going to study the data to find out more about the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Yes. The MAS is going through the Atlantic Ocean. Travel. Yes. The ship, the special ship, is traveling through the ocean. Jumping jacks. No, we didn't talk about jumping jacks. Scientists. Yes, we talked about scientists collecting the data. Ladybug. No bugs on this ship. Ship. Yes, we talked about a ship called the MAS. Route. Yes. Remember, it's going on a 3,000-mile route through the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, we have one more page. This page is going to tell us what the article was about. It's going to give 3 answers, and we have to choose the right answer. What is the paper about? Is it about special ship, Weedomania, or Lego video app? What is the paper about? Which picture? It's about the ship, the special ship. Nice. Who will the MAS send data to? Are they sending the data to ballerinas, to referees, or to scientists? Who are they going to send the data to? Do ballerinas need to know the weather in the ocean? No. Do referees need to know the weather in the ocean? No. What about scientists? Do they need to know the weather? Yes, they're the ones that are collecting, that are going to get all of the data from the computers. What will the MAS travel across? The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, or the Indian Ocean? Which ocean? Do you remember? The Atlantic Ocean. What controls the MAS? Oars, computers, or steering wheels? Remember, there's no people on this ship. So the only thing it could be is computers. There's no people, so there's no one to push the oars or use the steering wheel. So it's computers. What will the MAS gather from the Atlantic Ocean? Will it gather data, rocks, or flowers? What is this ship gathering from the ocean? It's gathering data, information about the ocean. What will energy help the MAS do? Will it help it sink, travel, or dive? This is an interesting question. So remember, the solar panels are collecting energy from the top of the ship. What is that energy helping the ship do? Is it helping it sink to the bottom of the ocean? Is it helping it travel? Or is it helping it dive? It's helping it go forward, so it's helping it travel. All right, that is our news article for today. On April 19th, the MAS is going to sail through the Atlantic Ocean, and you can watch it online. And thanks for listening. We'll see you later.